Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Emergency flood repair, scenic repair service, plumbing, how to water heater repair. Call you professional plumber, creation cleaning, home cleaner, crypt deep cleaning. Call Servero, Santo Rosa North. Flood restoration service, emergency flood damage repair, water damage repair with restoration. One video, water and flood damage cleanup restoration video. As fire and water restoration water. Emergency flood service water damage restoration. Emergency water damage restoration cleanup service CRS. Website Canada Restoration Service. Reload pages. Website emergency service. Need we are written 45 minutes. Water and flood damage restoration service. You can't control flooding, but you can control water damage cleanup. Flooding is difficult to plan for even with every precaution in place. A burst pipe, break storm, or leak pipe can surprise you with trusted and local water damage restoration service. You can minimize the damage with a fast and effective response. All you have to do is call Canada Restoration Service right away. Will be there at your residential commercial property within 45 minutes to start water damage cleanup. Get water damage restoration service. Do you need emergency water damage restoration? All tap indoor water branches require an urgent response. There are two factors that contributed to the severity of indoor flooding: the amount of flood water, the consumption of flood water. Take the professional restoration water damage restoration service. At Canada Restoration Service, our highly trained teams successfully handle virtual every type of water damage on site within 45 minutes. Get water damage service now. Emergency water damage procedure, flooded basement, flood restoration, sewer backup, frozen pipes, burst pipe repair, commercial water damage. Which was used for water damage cleanup, Toronto. Fast insurance flushing complete registration. Call now water damage restoration service. Water damage restoration service cleanup. Commercial water flood damage restoration service. Common cause of water damage. Water damage required the professional. Identifying the lake and combination. Take care. Bye bye. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.